Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Gaggia Anima Prestige, and this machine was brought in because it wasn't grinding. And what happens with these machines is that the magnet right here grows weak over time, and when it's down like this, if it's not magnetizing to the sensor here, then the machine just won't grind. So we kind of basically just glued a new stronger magnet in place, and now it functions just fine. So we'll add some more beans in here and we'll give it a test. All right. Looking good. And you can see how the display showed that red symbol when the lid wasn't down all the way. The magnet wasn't touching. Alright, well there it is. Gaggia Anima working once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee, and please like our videos.